We're now on part 3 of our successful recruitment secrets. I'm Sam Ashdown and this is a Whiteboard Wednesday video. So part 3 of successful recruiting, and this is exactly what we do, is we then go to group interviews. So I explained in the first video, if you haven't already watched those, go back and watch those, about the title and how important that is, and explained in number 2 video about exactly what our application process is, with 3 questions and then a video that they submit. The third step is group interviews. Now we go to this before we go to our last step, which is actually single interviews. But the group interviews is really important for us, and most estate agents I know do not do group interviews. So maybe give this a try for your next hire. So these are a few ideas to make sure that your group interviews go well. Firstly, Saturday morning is good, then they don't have to ask their current employer for time off and lie to their current employer, which is not a good start, is it? So Saturday morning is usually the best time to do them, and maybe your office is quiet, or you can go to a local, restaurant or hotel or golf club as we've got here, and you can do them in a little bit of peace and quiet. You want to allow about an hour and a half to 2 hours, so something like 10 till 12 on a Saturday morning is ideal. That gives you plenty of time. You want at least 4 people to come to it, because what you want is teams. So ideally teams of 2 or 3 people. So if you've got 4 people, that's 2 teams of 2. If you've got 9 people, 3 teams of 3. And those are the kind of numbers that you want to aim for. Be warned though that most people are scared to death of group interviews. So even those people who say they're going to come, you'll probably only get about 60% show up rate. So bear that in mind when you're doing your numbers. You need to set them tasks in the interview. So we normally set about 3 tasks in the interview. We give them a bit of background about our core values and all those good things and our mission and what we're trying to achieve here at Ashdown Jones. And then we'll go into tasks. It might be, there's £500, how would you market that house? Or it could be something completely unrelated. What we have done in the past is, you're about to launch a new lipstick, so how would you then take that to market? You've got 12 weeks to do it and a budget of £5,000. And what you're looking for is really, you're observing. You're not actually looking for those people who keep looking to you for acknowledgement and feedback about the task that they're doing. You're looking for people who work well as part of a team, but still lead. And that is a very difficult balance to get right. We did a group interview a few months ago now, where there's one particular person that was definitely a leader, but she kept looking to us for feedback. So she wasn't trying to lead her team, she was trying to show off to us. And that really created the wrong dynamic, and it meant that she wasn't a good fit for us. So don't forget to make a note of the qualities you're looking for in this group interview before you even start. Because if you're looking for leadership and cooperation, you need to be able to see those things when you set the tasks. And then when you wrap up, you're going to choose then a short list, maybe even only 1 person, maybe no people, to take on to individual interviews. And that, we find, is a really successful way of recruiting the very best people. And our team here at Ashdown Jones are exceptional, and they're going to be with us forever. They're never going to leave, and that's because we interviewed and recruited in the right way. So if you want to make sure you never miss another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, please go ahead to YouTube and Facebook and make sure you're following and subscribe to me at Marketing Magic for Estate Agents, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.